Look at this view. This was our view this morning that we enjoyed a cup of tea with. Today we are going out onto this lake. Well, not this lake. There's a lake. There's sort of like a row of houses, and then there's another behind it. We're going out on that to Walterpeak Farm.
Part of the same lake.
Oh, I can see it. I can see it links together. Is there? I found where it links together. I imagine it would link together, but
Wakatipu? I think it's Wakatipu.
I think you've just offended an entire country of people.
Yeah, I'm back inside.
It's really cold. It's like 6 degrees. It's cold. But yeah, we're going out on that lake, and we're going to Walterpeak, which is one of those mountains. Oh my goodness. Now we're all very loud in here. So we're going out on that lake to Walterpeak Farm, and we're going to see farming and sheep shearing. Morning, Holly.
Hi there.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Yes, we're going to see how to shear a sheep, and how to pet a sheep, and how to train a sheepdog. I have no idea what we're going to be doing, but we need to get a boat to get out there. So, will be exciting. And then we're going to a hot pool. We're going to a hot pool. Here comes Holly. What are you doing? You're joining me. Taller than me. Let's go get on a boat. Let's go get on a boat.
Go boat.
Boat. You ready to get on the boat? She's on the phone.
Yeah, it's a steamboat.
It's a steamboat. Where is it? I can't see it. That's a lorry. It's here. It's a steamboat.
Channel's 4.
Yeah.
You are now Kerry.
Your name.
Hi, you are now Kerry.
Oh,
I'm not you.
I'm Kerry. Look at this views.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Let's go. Be more organised. In the right place because I've got the shade.
I'm pale.
Yes, you are. We're on the top deck of the boat. I think the farm that we're headed to is here. Over here, like over here somewhere. I think. It seems to be where we're headed. So, I guess we're nearly there.
What?
What?
Seagull. Mine. What?
Oh, whitewashed. We made it. It's very pretty. It's very pretty. We're going to watch a show, a farm welcome show. Every member, every person on that boat is now going to this farm show. So it should be packed. Oh, look at the sheepies in the field. There's some sheepies. Sheepies over there. Holly, what have you seen? Doggies! Doggies, look at them! Doggies! Hello, babies! Someone is happy. Hello, happy Holly. Oh, look at them. Oh, he's up there. He's gone for a cuddle.
Alrighty. So now that I've got this lamb out, she seems to be sitting for me relatively nicely. But the truth is, she's not too pleased at being here. She sees me as a predator, she sees you guys as the predator, as well as these dogs roaming around in front of her. It really isn't this lamb's favourite place to be. We really do need to do this. I'm not just robbing this lamb of its wool. If we were to just neglect her, leave her out of the hill, that fleece will not stop growing, and if we don't deal to it within a few years' time, it will cause some serious health problems for this lamb. And that is somewhat unfortunately due to us farmers. We have been farming sheep for many generations, many centuries, and selective breeding, producing these sheep to provide more meat and more wool over time, that they've just slowly lost those genetics to shed that wool on their own. Alrighty, so we start down the belly. We're just letting that comb glide through the wool. We're going to follow the curvature of that belly. Because we have flanks around the side here, very sensitive spots on the belly. We're just going to let the comb, let the handpiece do its thing. So we can sort of never judge from the top of the wool what this wool is going to be like. Over the back here, a lot of dust and debris has made its way down through the fibres, making it a little bit more challenging to get over this back area. But don't need to push, just make sure that the comb glides through, get over that backbone, and now we can go over the head of the lamb. So we've got to be very careful around these ears. Sort of see that this lamb does not want to cooperate. Now we're going to stand the lamb up nice and tall. And this is where we do a very sensitive strike. This is where we do long blows. So we're going up the back, all the way up the neck. Following the curvature of the body again, down onto this right leg. Now we can put our hand up into this thigh area, up into where the flank is, which tightens that skin up once again, and also straightens the leg. There we go. One nicely shorn lamb, ready for the summer.
Oh. She goes.
Get away!
You can see the sheep seeing the dog.
Yeah, they are.
So you can see that these lambs are looking at the dog. We want them to link back together, so we want them to feel that.
There's the dogs.
So the dog makes a very slow approach at this point. Jess. You're now bringing them along. Jess. We're going to bring these lambs around using these three nets. Right. Ah. Jess, while I go. Jess. There's my Jess. Jess. And you can see that these lambs are just trying to fight back against the dog. Cree has a bit more aggression than your usual hitting dog. So she's just working left and right, holding those together. So lie open the gate. And we now what we'll do.
Good job. Mom. What's it like?
It's oily.
Oily. I feel like it's going to be coarse. Oh, it's not. Oh, that's strange. Phew.